Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Mailbag. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today's question comes in from a Mike D. And Mike says, John, I'm getting married in January at the age of 63. What's the earliest I can retire and secure my wife's benefit? All right, congratulations, Mike, on the upcoming nuptials. That's great stuff. As far as when you can retire, that's up to you. You're 63, so technically you can retire, but you have to figure that one out yourself. But as far as your new bride collecting railroad retirement, she'll be eligible in a year. However, she can't collect until you retire, so that's important. So check out my video, Understanding Spouse Annuities and Railroad Retirement. A lot of great information in there, all right, to help you out, Mike. So once again, congratulations on your wedding. Everyone, please send in your questions. Maybe I'll shoot a video on them. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.